C5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 1998 model year Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Confirmed actual miles just shy of 65,000 at all in this car. Torch red exterior, black interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia and nose on it. You can see paint shows well, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major there. Underneath the hood, that 5.7 liter tried and true LS1 engine paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome wheels. Nicely equipped also, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Very nice shape, considering age and miles especially. Bucket seat, center console, and there you can see the shifter. There's an aftermarket cup holder over here on the right side. Always comes in handy in these. Removable top. You'll be able to see that on and off in the still pictures. Of course, we have it stored in the rear compartment. And that is the painted to match red target top. Check the pics out. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Corvettes of all years, or maybe just C5s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor. As we take a look down the driver's side too, you can see as good a shape as the passenger side was. Again, just nothing major for nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a few just real light ones I noticed right here. If I can even get that to show up. I mean, there may be a couple small imperfections, but overall, paint definitely shows good on this one. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have on a later model Corvette with the power windows, mirrors, locks, Bose stereo system. See power seat over here on the driver's side. Take a peek at the leather, bolster, a little bit of wear, just kind of what you'd expect out of a natural hide. Tilt column, of course, cruise control, AM, FM, CD player, and once again, that AC blows cold. Driver's information center in this car. Let's fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll also take a peek underneath the hood. I'm going to show you the headlight doors. Stick around to the very end of this video, and Jason's going to take it for a drive also. So, exact miles, there you go, just shy of 65,000. So 64,998. Dash looks good. Have had the radio working also. Just need a station that'll come in. The Bose system sounding good. All right, we'll pop the hood. Headlights, not a problem. Everything's good there. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust, just a good sounding C5 Vet. True dual exhaust catalytic converters intact. Let's take a peek underneath the hood. Hood struts functioning as they should. There it is. LS1, 5.7 liter. And again, paired to that automatic with overdrive trans. Cars actually get excellent mileage, for a sports car especially. And then, of course, power steering, power brakes, and that cold AC. Looking at getting a Vette without breaking the bank? Here you go. And nice, reliable cars too, fun to drive. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, have a little fun. 1998 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. That removable target top. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette in a nice red paint job with a black interior and black leather adjustable power bucket seats. We have a removable target top over our heads. This is an automatic right here on the center console. The odometer is showing a little under 65,000 miles, so nice. Low mile car. Stereo. Working as it should. Responsive throttle, nice tight steering. Still feels like a low mile Corvette. We have added cup holders just over here. That match, they almost look like they came with the car. Our temperature gauge is showing about 190. Oil pressure 45 to 50. The battery is charging almost 14 volts. And the fuel gauge is showing a little over 3/4 of a tank. Corners very nicely, nice and flat in the corners. That low center of gravity that Corvette almost always has sure works in its favor. Designed for performance. This car is no exception. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Corvette at UniqueClassicCars.com.